Want to speak English confidently? Speak, speak, learn, practice, improve. Speak English confidently every day. Let's speak English together.
I bought something new. Nice. I wake up early. Good for you. I make my bed. Nice and tidy. I brush my teeth. Every morning. I wash my face. Feels fresh. I drink some water. Good habit. I make coffee. Smells great. I eat breakfast. What do you eat? I read the news. Anything new? I check my phone. Any messages? I get dressed. Looking good. I wear a jacket. It's cold today. I tie my shoes. Almost ready? I grab my bag. Don't forget your keys. I leave the house. Have a nice day. I walk to the bus stop. Is it far? I wait for the bus. It's coming. I get on the bus. Find a seat. I look out the window. Nice view. I arrive at work. Right on time. I say good morning. Good morning to you too. I turn on my computer. Ready to start? I check my email. Anything important? I write a message. To who? I attend a meeting. How did it go? I drink my coffee. Still hot? I talk to my coworker. About what? I take a short break. You deserve it. I eat a snack. What kind? I finish my work. Great job. I leave the office. See you tomorrow. I walk to the supermarket. What do you need? I push the shopping cart. Need help? I buy some vegetables. Healthy choice. I buy some fruit. My favorite. I pay at the counter. Cash or card? I carry my shopping bags. Looks heavy. I walk home. Long day, huh? I unlock the door. Welcome home. I put away the groceries. Need a hand? I wash the vegetables. Looks fresh. I cook dinner. Smells delicious. I set the table. Looks nice. I pour a drink. Thank you. I eat dinner. Enjoy your meal. I wash the dishes. I can help. I clean the kitchen. It looks spotless. I take out the trash. Thanks for doing that. I water the plants. They look healthy. I feed my cat. She's hungry. I sit on the sofa. Time to relax. I watch TV. What's on? I read a book. What's it about? I listen to music. I like this song. I call my friend. Say hi for me. I talk on the phone. How's she doing? I text my mom. What did you say? I plan my weekend. Any plans yet? I check the weather. Is it sunny? I open the window. Nice fresh air. I clean my room. Looks much better. I do the laundry. I'll help fold. I fold my clothes. Very neat. I organize my closet. Good idea. I take a shower. Feels relaxing. I dry my hair. Looks nice. I put on lotion. Good for your skin. I brush my hair. Looking great. I get ready for bed. Sleep well. I turn off the lights. Good night. I go for a walk. Nice weather for it. I visit the park. It's so green. I sit on a bench. Mind if I join? I feed the birds. They love that. I take some photos. Send me one. I meet my friend. It's been a while. I order coffee. What kind? I sit at a cafe. Cozy spot. I chat with my friend. Tell me everything. I pay the bill. I'll get it next time. I go to the gym. Good for you. I do some exercise. Feeling strong? I lift some weights. Nice progress. I run on the treadmill. How far today? I drink some water. Stay hydrated. I stretch my legs. Important after exercise. I finish my workout. Great session. I take the bus home. Tired now? I check my mailbox. Anything interesting? I open a letter. Good news? I water my plants again. They're growing nicely. I tidy the living room. Looks so clean. I light a candle. Smells lovely. I make some tea. I'll join you. I sit by the window. Peaceful, isn't it? I write in my journal. What did you write? I plan tomorrow. Busy day ahead? I turn off my phone. Time to rest. I get into bed. Sweet dreams. I close my eyes. Good night.